A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to set 6, 7, 8. Then we have A intersection B is equal to, here it is 2, 3, 4, 5 and here it is 6, 7, 8. That means there is no common element. Therefore, A intersection B is empty set. Empty set. A intersection B is empty set. If A intersection B is equal to empty set, such type of sets are called disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. Disjoint sets. And the example, A equal to set A, B, C and B is equal to set E, D, F. Then what is A intersection B? A intersection B, A, B, C not in set B. Similarly, C, D, F not in set A. That means A intersection B is void set or empty set. Am I right? It is void set or empty set. Therefore, these sets are disjoint sets. Disjoint sets.